Hey YouTube, welcome. Today we're going to do some grilled chicken sandwiches, and I'm telling you, if you try this recipe, you definitely going to love it. But here's the process. Let's get into it. I got me some boneless chicken breasts that I cut into halves, and I have some boneless chicken thighs. My wife liked the boneless chicken thighs. I went and I washed and I cleaned each piece, and I also went and trimmed some of the fat off of the chicken thighs as well. All right, so I'm only going to use a couple of seasonings on these here proteins, and I said it, a couple of seasonings. The first one is going to be this here, a Cajun's Life chicken rub. I'm adding this to the meats, and I'm also going to add in some of Misha's Corner seasoning. This is something that she created herself. Check out Misha's Corner on YouTube. This is Spicy Girl. All right, this is definitely a good seasoning. It's like a little sweet, little heat to it, and I just love it, y'all. I really do. So I'm also going to toss in some olive oil, and this will be it. This is how easy it is. This is easy as it's going to get. And next thing I want to do is I want to take my hands and rub in these seasonings and that oil into the protein. I just want these to be covered with the seasonings and the oil. And as you can see, we're ready for the process. The next step, we're going to go ahead and heat up our grill so we can put our griddle top on and cook these here babies up. So let's do that right now. Okay, so with this grate, I already have it seasoned up, and I'm going to add a little bit more oil to it, but for right now I'm going to let this heat up. And on my griddles, whenever I do cook, I like to make sure that my griddles hit at a temperature of 400 degrees before I start cooking on it. And I'm going to take the temp on that first, all right? So just to let you see exactly how I got it set up again. All right, so right there, I got my charcoal on that end, and when I put my grate in, so I know that here is going to be the hot side. Right up in here is going to be the hot side, and this should stay cool for a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna take the temp, and we'll be ready to go after that. All right, YouTube fam, so right now, if you can see on this side, right up in here, it's about 494 degrees. So if I go here on this side, it's 226, so that's the warm zone. So from here, that's 344. In the front right here is 344. So right there is like 500 and something, and over here is about 475, and right there on top you're looking about 468. So what I want to do is I'm gonna start cooking right in the front, right here in the front. That's where I'm gonna start cooking at. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these brown up just a little bit. I got the dark meat right here, which is like the thighs. So the thighs is gonna cook a little longer, and the white meat is gonna cook a little bit more quicker. Okay. So as you can see that the thighs made basically its own grease because it's a little bit more fattier than the white. But what's gonna happen with the white is gonna pretty much blacken up a little quicker than the dark meat. All right. Since I didn't put no oil on the grate. So once I give this a flip, I flipped it one time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna move it over to this side. So I'm gonna let that cook for at least around about a good 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna move it over to the cool side, which on this cool side we're showing 290 some degrees. So I'm gonna move it over right here on this side. Now y'all can do this in the house, man, with your skillet, you know what I'm saying? With your cast iron skillet, and it'll be good. So I just use those 2 seasonings, and this definitely, man, is gonna be a healthy portion. For one, because you're grilling, and 2, you're gonna put it on the sandwich. And with that sandwich, I'm gonna have some lettuce and some tomatoes, and it would be nice to have some onions on here. Matter of fact, let me go get some onions cut up, and I'm gonna put them on the grill too. I want y'all to forgive me, man, because I'm just adding stuff as I go. I didn't have no plan to add no onions and no bacon. So we kicking healthy out the door. So right now I'm adding some unsalted butter to the griddle because I want to go ahead and toast up these here buns a little bit, you know what I mean? So I'm using 2 types of bun, just the regular store-bought bun, and I'm going to use some brioche buns a little later in the video because I like the brioche buns better than the store-bought buns. So this is all I'm doing right now, is just browning up these buns, hamburger buns, so we could go ahead and build our sandwich, and I'm using unsalted butter. Okay, now I'm building my sandwich because I gave the other people their sandwiches. So with mine, I have the filet breast, and I'm stacking it with the bacon. I done did a total 360 on these sandwiches from what I was going to do in the beginning. So I'm stacking them up with the bacon. After I stack these, the bacon right on top of the chicken breast, I want some of this here cheese, and I'm using Pepperjack cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you like to add to your sandwich, to your meat or your sandwich, or whatever the case may be. So I'm adding some Pepperjack cheese, and I just want the cheese just to melt just a little bit. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my brioche buns off of the griddle and stack and build these sandwiches. YouTube family, thank you so much for watching this here video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below, tell me how you really like this video, and also watch these videos. And if you want to subscribe, click on my photo and hit the subscribe button. Do me a favor, love and not hate. I love you guys. Peace.